Wind. It is an inevitable part of any landscape photographer's experience. Today we are enjoying the cool breezes that the wind brings us as we're driving through North Dakota, a state dominated by the Great Plains. Here in the Upper Source National Wildlife Refuge, we are allowed to visit a place where we are welcome, but the needs of the wildlife must come first. I am in search of some landscape vistas so I can capture the colors of fall in panoramas. Most of the landscape is flat, but where the river flows, you will find changes in elevations. Another thing that I am enjoying is the chance to stop and enjoy the scenery. Normally, I'm rushing because my time is usually very limited in the places that I go. I am staying in this area for a week, so I have more time to take it slow. The wind presents an ever-present challenge. Fortunately, my Albert three-legged thing tripod is more than heavy enough to handle these winds and produce images like this. You can find a link for my tripod in the description below. It is time to ditch the car and head out on foot on the Cottonwood Trail. This trail offers some steep hills, but you are rewarded with vistas of the region. This late fall afternoon is providing the perfect weather for hiking. A warm sun and cool air. It is moments like this that I am thankful for the opportunities that I have to travel. I spent most of the summer sitting at a desk, working day and night to recover my business from my 5-month mobilization for the Navy during this past winter. This is the first time in months that I've been able to just relax and enjoy life. This is probably one of the few places here where the wind, I'm sheltered enough from the wind that I can actually talk to you guys and you can hear me. What a beautiful fall day. I cannot even begin to tell you how much I miss hiking in the fall. Particularly in Arizona, for one thing, it's always on rock, but here I have soft grass the entire way. So I don't have rocks trying to pierce up through my shoes, and I don't have to hear the crunching of the ground. I have nice soft grass, maybe an occasional crunching of leaves underneath me. The fall colors are everywhere. We have very low angle sunlight right now, just making the leaves glow. This is a very rewarding experience. I don't know how the pictures are going to be, but just the opportunity to be out here, it's worth it. So something I really have started to realize is how valuable our public lands are. So maybe about 2 months ago on this channel, you guys got to watch me come home from my trip to the Pacific Northwest. On that trip, going up there, I discovered dispersed camping in our national forests. On the way home, I discovered the dispersed camping. On the way home, I discovered the Bureau of Land Management and all the beautiful places that they maintain for us. Now, this is a National Wildlife Refuge. And I can tell you, in the national parks, they're beautiful, but they are so crowded out here. The national parks are just, they're beautiful, but they're overcrowded. Out here, I haven't bumped into another soul. So I'm going to keep exploring these public lands and sharing them with all of you, because they are just, especially how remote they are and peaceful, they are just absolutely priceless. My GoPro battery is dying on me, so it's time to end this episode. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you can, please adopt a shelter animal. If you can, please adopt a shelter animal. And if you can't, please donate to your local animal shelter. Take care, and I'll see you all in the next episode.